Hey everyone, welcome to my Clickfunnels 2.0 review. Inside this video, I'm going to break down everything that is new with Clickfunnels 2.0, and I'm going to compare and contrast it with the original Clickfunnels. This is what the sign-in dashboard looks like right here, and all we have to do is just click on Login. And that will take you to the Clickfunnels 2.0 dashboard, which looks like this. There's a couple of things that they want you to do when you first enter into the software, but you can skip all of this stuff and go right into designing your funnels if you choose to do that. Now, first off, you'll notice that it looks way different from Clickfunnels 1. The original Clickfunnels had a way different user interface than this one does. It looked a lot like its own thing, but now they've made it to look a whole lot more like other CRM softwares that you would see on the marketplace. What Clickfunnels is trying to do with 2.0 is they're trying to make this the one software that you can use for everything in your business. So it's going to handle all of your blogs, you're just going to handle all of your funnels, it's going to handle your email marketing, as well as selling products all through Clickfunnels. Now, just to contrast between Clickfunnels and Clickfunnels 2.0, this is what the dashboard looks like in the original Clickfunnels. You'll notice that there is a lot of differences. So first off, this is kind of cluttered. You have things all over the place and you don't really know where everything's at. You do have your funnels up here and you have other options up here, as well as your affiliate section at the top right. But you'll notice that it's kind of clunky and you have a lot of different things going on at once. And if you compare that to Clickfunnels 2.0, you'll see that everything is streamlined. Everything is over here to the left in a side panel, and that's where you're going to access every single aspect of your business. We have sites and funnels, we have products, we have orders, contacts, analytics, marketing, sales, everything is right here. Now, they did keep the affiliate settings up here in the top right. Just like last time, you would go here to CF2 Affiliate Center if you want to get your affiliate links. Now, at the time of filming this video, in order to access Clickfunnels 2.0, what you have to do is go through your first funnel challenge. Your first funnel challenge looks like this. It is a free 5-day challenge with Russell Brunson, and he's going to teach you how to launch your first funnel inside of Clickfunnels 2.0. You do have to join this in order to get access to Clickfunnels 2.0. There is a $29 upgrade that you can choose in order to get 30-day free trial for Clickfunnels 2.0. So I highly recommend taking that $29 offer if you want to have the full experience of Clickfunnels 2.0 right now. After you enter in your email address and click on join the first funnel challenge, then you will get access to Clickfunnels 2.0. Now let's go ahead and just talk about what Clickfunnels has done right and what they have made different from the original Clickfunnels. We'll start with the sites and funnel section because this is going to be the main aspect and main selling point for Clickfunnels 2.0. This is where you're going to host all of your different websites as well as funnels. So on the left here, you see that you have a blog section and you also have a funnels and pages section, as well as a direct section for URL redirects. The overview is just going to show you all your different sites in one area, and then you can go to specific sites in these other areas. This is a draft of my first funnel that I started creating inside of Clickfunnels 2.0. Let's go ahead and look at this and just take a look at the customization options that you have for Clickfunnels 2.0. This is what the editor looks like for Clickfunnels 2.0. You can click on any of these different elements and edit them just like you could in Clickfunnels the original. One click allows you to change the text, bold, italic, underline, anything you want to do, as well as adding links. And then if you want to change the actual look, you click on the settings button and it looks a lot similar to Clickfunnels 1.0. You can change the padding here, you can change the style, the color, the boldness, or even add links to the different elements. And you'll notice that it's really easy to switch back and forth between desktop and mobile version. This is what the mobile version looks like. You can switch right back over to desktop and it's really streamlined. Everything is built within sections and then you have elements within those sections. So if I want to edit this section here, I highlight the section, click on settings, and I can edit all of this. So if we want the width to be medium instead of XL, then we can do that. And if I want to add a new element, then I just click on add element right here and I can choose from all these different elements inside of the Clickfunnels editor. So we have headlines, we have paragraphs, we have images, videos, buttons, video pop-ups. There's so many different things, countdown timers, payment methods, checkout methods, blog links, blog categories. There's a lot of new things that Clickfunnels has added to 2.0 that you can add within these pages. And you can even go in and edit the menu for your different blogs and websites. So just click on settings here, edit universal section, and then over here we can click on the 3 little dots, click on settings, and we can navigate and move around these different menu items. So if we want to change this, we can change the name of this instead of programs to something else, and then we can add a custom link action to our specific blog page. Now, I think that they've made a lot of improvements to their editor when it comes to the way that it looks and when it comes to ease of use. I think that this editor is way easier to use than the original ClickFunnels. Inside of the blog section underneath the overview section, this is where you can add all your different articles to your blogs. You can save them in drafts, kind of like WordPress or Squarespace or those other kinds of website editors. ClickFunnels has gone above and beyond to add different blog posts inside of their editor. You also have the funnel section here. This is where you can add and create funnels. So if I want to create a new funnel, I click on that. I give it a name, and then I give it a URL and hit create funnel. They added a visual editor to their funnel builder. This allows you to edit the way that your funnel is going to work inside of what is called test mode. So you can add a first step. We want to do a page, and then you can choose from all these different pages for your funnel. We want an opt-in page, so let's go ahead and choose an opt-in that works out for us. Let's go with opt-in number 2. You can give it a name, and then you can give it a URL. After you've done that, just go ahead and click on create page. Then you can open up the editor and design the opt-in in any way that you see fit. Now we can add other things such as split paths, so we can add a split path there, and we could add a test or a decision to that split path. So if I want to do a decision, we can add a yes or no conditional setup right here where we can click on this and we can send customers different ways depending on their actions that they took on the opt-in page. You'll notice that once you are done editing, it'll be in test mode, but you can release that to the public, and once you start doing that, it will start collecting analytics on unique visitors and page views, and you'll find your analytics over here on the side under the analytics section. This is going to keep track of your total page views, your total opt-ins, total orders, and your conversion rate. You'll notice your total opt-in conversion rate as well as your total customers, and it will even keep track of your product sales. So they've really done a great job of upgrading the analytics section of ClickFunnels 2.0. Now moving on to the product section, you'll notice that you'll be able to create both physical and digital products, and they walk you through how to do that step by step throughout this navigational menu. You can click on create product and design whether or not it is physical, digital, or a bundle. You can give it a name, description, and then you can go in and design the product. You also have your order section here where you manage all of your orders. This is going to be great for selling physical products. So you can sell physical products right from your website on ClickFunnels, take payments, as well as ship out all those orders and keep track of them inside of ClickFunnels. Next, we have the contacts section, and this is where you can add your contacts from your previous email marketing software. You can also assign tags, and you can assign segments, or you can import right here directly inside of the contacts section. Probably the part of ClickFunnels 2.0 that I'm most excited about is going to be the email marketing, which is going to be included in ClickFunnels 2.0. First things first is you set up your company email address, you set up your send to and reply to emails, and then you can go ahead and start working on your workflows. They're also going to be adding a sales section where you can keep track of all your different sales from start to finish. So you have your opportunities, your conversions, your appointments, rep managements, phone calls, so you can do all your lead management inside of ClickFunnels itself. This is still coming soon. It's not available, but it will be available inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. And lastly, we have payments.ai, which is going to be the payment processor that ClickFunnels has teamed up with in order to allow you to manage all of your payments with inside ClickFunnels 2.0. You'll be able to access Stripe as well as PayPal, and that's all going to be inside of this payments.ai processor. The ClickFunnels 2.0 Affiliate Center is definitely a work in progress, but I think once they launch ClickFunnels 2.0, this affiliate center is going to look great, and it's going to have a lot of different options to promote your affiliate products. You start off with only being able to promote your first funnel challenge, which leads into ClickFunnels 2.0, but they're going to be adding more affiliate codes as time goes on. You can also keep track of all your active referrals as well as your commissions and future pending payouts right inside the affiliate center. So you notice that they have made so many different changes compared to the original ClickFunnels. They've changed the UI, they've added so many more aspects to ClickFunnels, the ability to create full-fledged blogs, as well as the ability to host videos inside of ClickFunnels. There's a lot to love about this new software. It is still in its building stages, but I know that there's a lot of potential here, and ClickFunnels 2.0 is definitely going to overtake ClickFunnels, the original, in my opinion. So if you want to go ahead and get access to ClickFunnels 2.0 before the mass majority of people have access to it, what you have to do is take the Your First Funnel Challenge, and I'll go ahead and leave a link for that down below this video, but once you put in your email email address and you sign up for the $29 VIP, then you can get access to a 30-day free trial for Clickfunnels 2.0, and all of that's going to be down below inside this video. So if you've enjoyed this review of Clickfunnels and you want more content from me, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. My name's David. I create videos all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, different kinds of side hustles, and reviews of digital marketing software like Clickfunnels. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see all of you guys inside of my next video.